Alright guys, welcome back. So in this video today, as the title will say on this video, we finally got the Vandemon exhaust for the H2. Actually, this honestly did not take long at all. I mean, especially compared to the Austin Racing for the Ducati V4. We ordered this on, I believe it was on a Saturday when we picked up the H2. And then the exhaust got here by the following week on a Monday or Tuesday. So give or take 7 days. And this great give it that this exhaust comes all the way from Australia. So that was actually a pretty quick turnaround. We went with the polish exhaust. So we're gonna do an unboxing here quickly, show you what the Vandemon comes with and what's included in the box as far as hardware and stuff like that. I'm gonna be wearing my gloves, obviously. We don't want to put any fingerprints on the titanium exhaust. All right, let's get this video started. All right, I think that should do it for the blade here. All right, as you guys can see there, it looks like it's very protected. That's some nice foam. Pretty nice. Woo. You get your Vandemon polished titanium exhaust description here. Tells you what it's all about, what it's made out of, decibel numbers, weight savings. So it's saying here we would save a total of, what is it, 12.1 kilograms. I'll put that into YouTube and convert that into pounds. So this is the noise decibel. So baffle in is 105 decibels. Baffle out is 120. Jeez. Woof. It's gonna be a loud one. What is this? This is just a quick description of how to install the lower piece fairing that goes underneath there, but not really. No, it looks like we have no instructions. Let me see before I speak too soon. Yes, so it looks like we have no instructions. I mean, it's a pretty straightforward exhaust installation. You know, it's not too bad, but you can see here you have your springs, a few bolts. For the most part, you will be reusing the hardware that's already used for the stock exhaust on the H2. So we're just gonna use that here as well. And let's open the main piece of the new exhaust. It's a canister here. Let's see how this compares to the Austin Racing. Oh wow, the Austin Racing welding. Well, I mean, it already looks amazing. Obviously, the baffle is coming right out. That's honestly the first thing we're gonna do. No baffles, baby. Jeez. That's gonna look so much better than the stock exhaust. Like, just look at the difference there. Holy crap, stock exhaust is so much bigger. And it already feels so much lighter. That thing is like 30 pounds, just that portion alone. And this is super light. I mean, just like the Austin Racing, I can hold it with 2 fingers. Super light. Let's put this back in the bag. Keep this nice and clean. So it looks like everything is just in pieces. So everything connected to the header. Make sure you order a header gasket if you're going to be doing this. You don't want to reuse your stock gaskets, so make sure you order those. I mean, you can see here the wire portion where all the headers connect to. And it looks like everything's numbered 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh wow, that's easy. Vandemon, you have the O2 sensor plug. Vandemon made it easy. BBAA. Wow, that's easy. That's very easy. What else do we have here? Oh, we got a Vandemon sticker. I mean, they include instructions on how to install a sticker, but not the exhaust. But that's okay. because we know the Vandemon Exhaust is a pretty quick, easy install. Yeah, that's how to install the sticker. I think in 2022, by now, I think everyone should know how to install a sticker on the bike, but just in case. Anything else? These are just all the rest of the pieces. Yeah, that's about it. Not much with the unboxing, honestly. Yeah, this is the main portion. Remove the valve. And that's about it. Alright guys, I'll give you, this is just an unboxing. I'll make another video once we install the exhaust and do a couple reps and flybys. And yeah, we'll catch you in the next time. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button as always. And catch you in the next one, guys. Thank you.